Yo, what it do? You already know what it is, man. Snow falling the hall, blue ice hauler. Day is Thursday, my off day. So, like I said, YouTube, get ready to get it clean, get it ready for car show ready. So I'm gonna pull this off. I'm gonna put everything off gold and repaint it and clear it. Do a little cleanup on the little hood, get ready for 78 Chevy car show, baby. It's going down, baby. I recommend anybody that love car show, man, pull up. It's in Mississippi, baby. It's the Atlanta Center. Cars gonna come from everywhere. He had one of the biggest car shows in Memphis. Between him and Rock, between him and Rock, baby. So, let me get my tools. Get my tools, get ready, man. I got a busy day tomorrow. I'm going tomorrow to pick my stuff up. My interior, half my interior, my back deck, back panels, all my trimming. If they done or not, I'm going to get them 9 o'clock in the morning. Straight out. Yeah, you too. Don't forget, get it. I think I got some paint left. I'm not gonna buy AutoZone, buy some clear coat. Man, a lot of folks comment on them shots, man. Then one of my subscribers, Facebook guys hit me up. He took a piece of my YouTube page and put on his Facebook. YouTube. And I think he's in South Carolina, North Carolina. YouTube, this man told me this man don't have this shop or guy don't have this man car for 2 years. I said, man, ain't no way. Ain't no way somebody keep my car for no 2 years. So man, y'all getting this comment, tell that man go get his car. There ain't no way, no shop gonna hold my car for no 2 years. Ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen, man. What you put in a Apollo 13 motor? I told dude, man, you done lost your mind. So man, you watching this YouTube video tonight, man, I'm dropping tonight or in the morning. I know you probably paid that man some money. Man, take that loss, go get your car. 2 years? 2 years. Man, ain't no way I keep my car no 2 years. Ain't no way. The only reason somebody keep my car 2 years is I ain't got the money. Or, I can't see, I still can't see it. Now don't get me wrong, these people I was going off on, okay, shit does happen. So, if I see you working on my car, man, stuff keep coming up, man, you need this, man, this ain't working right. Okay, but just waiting on parts, I can see that. But man, just, damn. My car is sitting up there, man, you working on somebody else's car, and man, my car ain't been worked on, man, hell no. But I see you working on my car. I may give you the benefit of the doubt. Still ain't gonna be no year though. Still ain't gonna be no year. It is a year, man. You have to show me why it's a year. You have to show me, man. You have to show me. Each of their own, though, man. Like, I'm going to get my stuff tomorrow. I told her I'll come get the day, but I won't come get the day. They'll just set up. They'll just see me, make them get on. But tomorrow morning, I get up. Oh, yeah. It's go time. It's go time. It's go time, YouTube. I ain't going. I wish the other shop was a little closer. I'll go get my seat. I'm about to wait that out. Hopefully by the end of next month, it'll be ready. But hey, who knows? I ride down. It's like within, it's like a 4-hour drive. Let's get this bad out. Anyway. Tight. Come on out of the chunk. That's so. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I can't get it. Let it sit overnight. Y'all see it, baby. Thought about it. Work damn good. Take y'all to the paint station. Y'all know what it's at on my trailer. Ain't no bunny. Ain't got no fancy car. They gonna put that motor. Y'all see that motor? It's a 5.3. I need to go and wrap it up. Don't wrap it up, man. It's getting rain on. Yeah, the one dude said he wanted to buy that motor, the block and heads and all this, so I went and got it from the shop. Then the guy changed his mind on it. Which is all cool. Can't make nobody buy stuff. Can't make people buy stuff. I'll meet y'all back, YouTube. You're gonna have to give me a. Yeah, back, YouTube. You're gonna have to give me a towel or something to wipe it down. All right, YouTube. I got it. Taped up the Openville sign. Where's coming from? I'm for you to do, man. Hope these spots come out of the nut. I'm gonna sand it down. Guess I'm get my phone dirty. Like I said, YouTube, I'm not looking for perfection. Looking for neatness. Make it look nice. I know for a fact, when I do go 78 car show, I pop my hood. I guarantee you one thing, ain't gonna be nobody out there with an automobile motor. Ain't nobody else got this idea. But 78, 84 Cuddy, he ain't nowhere around, huh? I would have put in my shop and hung it up, but I got my car in there. I ain't got to get my car out. But it didn't work good. See this down a bit dry now. Down a bit dry now. My old twisted sock on. Musky the bad boy. Yeah, sorry, Ant-Man, couldn't pull it out, baby. Ain't your fault, Ant-Man. They had a good plan for you. You just need to work on your game, baby. You need to learn how to turn your back to the ball. You just doing the same move, top of key, dribble, dribble, dribble. They trapping that. Gotta get you a fadeaway. They need some more help. Let me get rid of old Barrel. That nigga ain't doing nothing. another can. Make a while, it's gonna get another can. Here, empty. Still got paint. Still got paint up on the hood a little bit more. Let it sit like this. Yeah, I'm buying another can. I'm gonna go to Paul store, buy another can of gold and clear. Cause some spots on my car need to hit. Need to hit my water pump. I just need cleaner. Huh? Water pump good. Just need cleaner. Nah, I'm good on the water pump. There we go. Intake clean. Just need to clear this. Come back and clear the intake. Yeah, intake clean. Come back and clean the intake and clean all that. Give me some more black and paint this black. They paint it gold. Nah. Give me some black paint too. Wipe everything down. Everything I need good wiping down and cleaning now. Everything needs good wiping down and cleaning. I'll tell you what, that power steering fluid, that stuff will eat some paint up. You need something off, man, get you some power steering fluid, boy. That's some strong stuff. Yeah, get some power steering fluid, boy, that is some strong stuff. You know, tire shine boy trying stuff up, boy. Tell you, boy, good old tire shine. Now I gotta give me some rags. So I do get stuff in costume. I'm gonna do all this part tomorrow. Yeah, I'll do all this tomorrow, boy. Yeah, and do all this tomorrow, boy. Take much, baby. Take much. Okay, she already shining. Use some black paint. I can paint this black and all that black. We been there. Water goes on this thing. What you gotta do, man, you wanna get that motor clean, wipe the fan, hit it with this stuff. It's there, YouTube. Look at that shine. She's shining, baby. She's shining. Woo-wee. She's shining. I ain't hard on me, Judge. I got you. Your time coming, buddy. Your part be in this week. When your part come in, it's gonna be all about you. Yeah, I don't like this bottle though. They take this bottle off and it amp wire. I ain't got my speaker hooked up. One tie and wire down there, pull the amp wire out. I ain't got my speaker hooked up. Alright, YouTube. I'm gonna get my butcher still buy me some clear. By the time I come back, it should be dry. If I ice haul up. Nah. I want this story for YouTube. I'll be back. We'll be back. Yeah, we go, YouTube. Oh, I forgot to put my knob on. I ain't got nothing tight. I just got everything. I figure how it go, man. Go like that. I figure out how it go. I forgot to get my caps. Damn. There it is, YouTube. Now you said nothing. And I got a whole lot of everything. And I come from nothing. Go YouTube. Gotta tighten everything down. I do it tomorrow. Y'all see it? Woo! That thing look good on YouTube. That thing good. I may drop this video tonight. What y'all think, man? Drop down in the comment, man. 84 cutties, baby. They don't know about that $100, that $1 million gold, baby. Yes, sir, YouTube. YouTube, over and out. YouTube, time to put it back together. Well, not put it back together, bring it inside like it's about to rain. So I'm just gonna lay everything down on the side. Lay everything down, man. Like it's about to rain. And bring everything in. Well, I got a good day tomorrow, baby. I gotta go tomorrow, get my interior, come back, drop my wife's stuff off so she can put her ties on. Then my homeboy came by. I gotta drop his car tomorrow. I gotta go to Memphis tomorrow, drop his transmission off. So I guess how I'm doing with transmission tomorrow, YouTube. I guess I'll go on from I guess I'll go on, take my rims off. Gotta come back to look. Ooh, yeah, busy day tomorrow, boy. Yeah, it'll be a busy day tomorrow, YouTube. So I get up in the morning, go get my interior stuff first. Then come back, take my wife's ties and rims to the shop, get those put on. Then when those get put on, come back home. Well, I drop those off. Yeah, I dropped that off. Yeah, I dropped that off. Then I come back home, take my rims off my tires and stuff. Get ready to head to Memphis. May do it right now, YouTube. So this is the game plan for tomorrow. Get up in the morning. I gotta go get my interior. Then I gotta come back, take the rims, take my wife's rims to the shop, head over, put those on. Then I gotta come back, take those 2 rims off, take another rim off my 300, take it to Memphis to 360. Now to 2 round, 2 Furious. Get those put on, get my rim fixed, got crack in it. Then I gotta take a transmission to Rocco. Drop that off my homeboy. Woo! Ice Hall, you gonna be on the road tomorrow, baby. Ice Hall gonna be on the road tomorrow. I'm gonna burn about $50 in gas. But it'll be all good though. Cause I like riding, man. I like riding, man. I don't like sitting in the house. What it look like, YouTube? We back, baby. Woo, that go hidden, man. That go hidden. Go hidden, man. See how I had this. See how I had it, YouTube. See how I had it. I think I had it right there. Like that. YouTube, I forgot how I had my thing. Damn, like that. Yeah. Yeah, like that. No, that's too low. Have it like that, you do? Alright, YouTube, I gotta hit y'all back. I gotta go look on my video. I forgot how I had this thing. Hit y'all back, YouTube.